Hello, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly relist on Offerup. So in order to quickly relist on Offerup, it's going to involve using text replacements, which can be found on iPhones. So what you want to do is click on Settings, then scroll down to where it says General, and then click on that. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says Keyboard and click on that, and then you want to click on Text Replacement. Under the letter D, where it says DESC, this is my description for all Offerup listings. And so when I type in the letters DESC, this is the text that auto-populates, which is basically the description for my Offerup listings. Now, what you can do here is that you can click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Now, this is where you would copy and paste, or this is where you would type in your phrase. So let's say brand new listing. And let's say the shortcut that we want input is that you want the phrase brand new listing to appear every time you type in the word, let's say new, okay? Once you save that, what you want to do next is open up your Offerup account. Now, in order to quickly relist on Offerup, simply go to your listings, then click on the listing that you want to relist. And then on the right-hand side where you see the three dots, click on that and then click on Sell Another. So we'll say this is another Mercedes-Benz GLB OEM trunk cargo cover. And now if we type in new, and then click on the new keyboard phrase that it pops up, so click on that. There you have it, a description. So again, with the text replacement, you can paste an entire description. So the usual text replacement that I have is typing DESC. And then there you have it. That's a brand new description. Select your photos and then click on next. And then afterwards, that's actually how you input or relist quickly on Offerup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them down below.